percentage is simply a number of parts out of 100. And when we have a percentage, you can almost think of it as 40 here. And this percentage sign almost looks like 100, a 1 and 2 zeros, because that's a reminder that it's out of 100. And so one way that we can put a percentage to a fraction is simply to write our percentage 40 and write it out of 100, 40 over 100. And essentially that's the same thing as dividing by 100, 40 divided by 100. Now again, what we should always do when we've got this as a percentage is to cancel it down. So 40 over 100 is the same as 4/10, but just be careful. You make sure you cancel as much as possible, because 4/10 we can keep going to 2/5. This second example, 17.5%. Well, let's do the same thing. That's 17.5 out of 100, or divided by 100. This time we've got a decimal on top, and we don't like that decimal mixed with a fraction. So this time, instead of dividing by something, I'm going to multiply. I'm going to multiply by 2 to make that 35 over 200. But again, just be careful. 5 goes into 35 7 times, and also into 200 40 times, so we can cancel that down further. So when we want to go from a percentage to a fraction, we divide by 100. And the reverse is true as well. When we want to go from a fraction to a percentage, we do the reverse procedure. Instead of dividing by 100, we multiply by 100. So if I take this first example, 1/4, if I want to turn that into percentage, I say a quarter multiplied by 100. And to do that, I'm going to write it as 100 over 1. And write that percent. Well, 4 goes into 4 once and into 125 times. 1 times 25 is 25. And 1 times 1 is 1, so it's 25 over 1, or 25%. Another example, 3/8. Well, that's, to turn that into a percentage, we multiply it by 100, or 100 over 1. That turns it into a percentage. Again, what cancels? Well, 4 goes into 8 twice, and 4 goes into 125 times. 3 25s are 75 over 2, which is 37.5%. So to go from a percentage to a fraction, we divide by 100. To go from a fraction to a percentage, we multiply by 100.